Let's make some chili. Cook 5 strips of bacon that you've cut, thick cut bacon, and you want to cook that until it's just crispy, then remove it from the pan. Now to that bacon grease, you're going to saute 1 red bell pepper and 1 onion. Next, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Then toss in 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef. When it's getting nice and brown, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and all of those seasonings there. Stir it through. Then add 1 cup of beef broth, 1/4 cup of tomato paste, and 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes. Next, add your black beans and your kidney beans. Some Worcestershire sauce. And finally, your bacon. Let that simmer on low, uncovered for 30 minutes. Then when you remember your fire roasted chilies, go ahead and add those in. Full recipe will be listed in the description. Doesn't that look delicious? Are y'all hungry yet?